So let's take a look inside Star GB. Already, this machine is having lots of attention. This is a machine that's actually manufacturing demo parts that you can take away, personalised demo parts, and mine is being manufactured as we speak. Some of the highlights of the show for me is this automation cell, which is in collaboration with Fanuc and Renishaw. It's automated and it's being inspected.
Yeah, we've been approached by Star and just really to try and promote some automation applications in the industry, especially with sliding head lathes. So we went away, designed a bit of a system with Renishaw as well and Star's input, really to give a fully automated solution for an end user.
Gio, you've had a look at the machine. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yep, it's a fantastic machine, like you say, Paul. It's making its UK debut this week, and I think it's going to be a big selling machine for Star. There's a bit of a crossover between fixed head and sliding head here. I think you can do both, but not only that, the capabilities that you've got with this machine, automatic V-axis with 8 spindles on there, with a modular aspect where you can add even more spindles. The capabilities of this machine are one massive feature, but then also the power of this machine, 11 kilowatts on main and second spindle, so you haven't got to worry about where you put up one. Do I need to put it on the main spindle because I've got more power, or do I need to put it on the second one after because there's less power required? You can put it on either, so when planning work, you've got absolutely everything that you could possibly imagine at your disposal. I think the cameraman is just trying to get in. Obviously, it's getting a lot of attention today, Paul, this machine.
Actually has improved. It's improved everything really. It's improved the way we work. It's improved efficiencies. It's improved. The entire operation now is better because we have the sliding heads in the shop.
Star have been really good to me. I did a 4-day training course here, programming, and then any sort of minor teething issues I'm getting, now I've been left alone, I can easily get in touch with them by email or phone, and they're always there to support me.
Support and backup from Star. Training, absolutely excellent support. Ever there's a problem, they're on the phone, no issues at all.
I just cannot praise enough the way the machine's been built and the way the machine is being made to run.
We have it now for 12 years and it has been trouble-free, thankfully. It's a fantastic machine, and that's why we wouldn't look at any other machinery other than Star.
Okay, for long parts that are too long to be ejected through the conveyor, they have to go through the subspindle, through our long guide tube, into some sort of parts receptacle. So this is the latest generation of our parts box.
Now, this can be configurable to any of your machine models?
It can. We've done this similar boxes up to 2 meters long for very long parts, obviously.
So it's predominantly for longer shaft work?
Yep. I mean, this is a typical application. Obviously, this is too long for the part chute, so it's coming through the subspindle into the V channel, and then as the guide tube comes over and works onto the back platen, the V channel drops and allows this part to drop parallel into the box.
Well, like I say, we like to support Star. We come up, we can show all of our stuff, mostly sliding head related, so it's all relevant to the setups on the machine. We've got a couple of machines fully tooled this week with our stuff, so it's a good showcase. Yeah.
Now, Phil, have I given you enough time to make my part?
Yeah,
and there you have it. Come and collect your own personalised gift from Star, which has also been engraved with Geo MTD CNC.